Let's fix iPhone volume buttons if they're not working. Now, if you're trying to use those volume buttons to either turn any kind of video or sound up or a ringtone, or you're on a call and you're trying to make it louder, I'm going to show you how to get those buttons working. The first thing that we'll do is we'll hop into our settings here. Oh, let me go back. And we'll tap on sounds and haptics. Now, the key here is change with buttons has to be toggled on. If that's toggled off, no matter how much I turn that up, it will not change that ringtone and volume alert. So if I turn that on, now I can change that. You can see just from those physical buttons, I can turn that up. Now, keep in mind there are two different volume sliders on your iPhone, so you might be wanting to turn up the volume on, say, a video, TV show, something like that you're watching. Keep in mind that volume, you have to swipe down from the top right, and that is this slider right here. So if you want to turn that volume up, use this slider. If you wanted to turn up the sound of maybe you're on a call or a ringtone or an alert, you'll want to use those buttons to basically turn this all the way up to the very top. Now, if those buttons are still not working, the next thing that you're going to want to do is take any kind of case off of your iPhone. Sometimes the case can cause any kind of gunk or lint or something like that to be in that area and cause those buttons to not work. So take the case off, clean that whole area out, and check to see if the buttons work at that point. If they still don't work, the next step is we'll go back, tap on General, and then Software Update. Check to see if there's a software update. Potentially this fixes a bug or a glitch in those volume buttons not working, either the volume up or the volume down. And then the last thing that we'll do is we'll go back, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, hit Reset here, and then at the very top, hit Reset All Settings. This will restart your phone and reset all of your settings back to factory default. A lot of times this fixes any kind of issues with the phone itself and the iOS not working, especially with those volume buttons. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.